So, we are in the middle of a rainy season, and I thought, what better topic to choose when mosquitoes are whizzing around us? So, I was left with a question that why does mosquitoes bite few of us and avoid some? Is it something to do with our body odor, the carbon dioxide levels, and probably anything else? So, what can we do to make sure to have less bite this years and the years to come? What attracts mosquitoes, why they target certain people, and how to try to stop them from biting if we are one of the unlucky ones. Today, with the help of science and research, let's find some of the scientific explanation to this question. Well, if you remember, there are many types of mosquitoes that exist, but only few of them bite humans, especially Anopheles mosquitoes, and those are females. As female mosquitoes that bite, they need the blood as a source of proteins for their eggs to nourish and nurture. The reason for mosquitoes being attracted to humans have been discussed in a few studies. These studies have discussed body odor, body color, skin temperature and texture, along with microbes living on the skin, pregnancy status, carbon dioxide exhaled by the humans, alcohol, and diet type. Overall, the study suggests that pregnant women, people with high body temperature and sweat, diverse skin microbe presence, and those with darker skin could be more susceptible for this mosquito bites. Some studies also suggest that there are available chemicals that attract some mosquito species and have shown to repel others. And people produce thousands of different chemicals. So, working out which ones are affecting mosquitoes and its behavior is far from easy. But one thing is for sure, all of us do breathe and produce enough heat during our respiration. And we could see that three species of mosquitoes use highly sensitive nerve cells called CPA neurons to catch up to these smells. People with higher carbon dioxide output have greater attraction and is due to their body mass. So if you are healthy and not obese, the chances of getting a mosquito bite are less. One research has also suggested that presence of lactic acid is also a good mosquito friendly agent. So when you are done with any form of exercises, take a good cold shower and rinse out the lactic acid from your body, dry yourself out. Having said about lactic acid, we can also find a lot of microbes in our body. One study suggested that the greater the number of bacteria on the feet, the more attractive they were to the mosquitoes. The study concluded telling that individuals with a higher microbe diversity are less attractive to mosquitoes and therefore they receive fewer bites. So, this again brings our attention to what kind of soaps to be used on skin, as microbiota is influenced by our genetics, age, and immune system. So, when it comes to cleaning and moisturizing our skin, use of soap does have an effect on the microbes on our body. So, perhaps try to avoid any kind of an antibacterial soap if you want to keep those bugs away from biting you. And when it comes to human sweat, we know that our sweat is completely odorless until the bacteria get to work on it. All these skin bacteria convert compounds in our sweat into volatile compounds, some of which attracts and some of which repel the mosquitoes. According to the study, some skin microbes appear to give off compounds that make less attractive to mosquitoes and thus function as inbuilt defense system. The discovery of the connection between skin microbial population and the attractiveness to mosquitoes may lead to the development of new mosquito attractants and personalized methods for protection against the vectors of malaria and other diseases. And yes, one study investigated the blood group and its effect on how likely you are going to get bitten by this mosquito. And it was recorded that people with O blood group were viewed as a tastier meal by almost twice as many mosquitoes as landed on those with group A. However, some compensation for those with blood group O, If the mosquitoes that bites you is carrying the malaria parasite, O group are less likely to get severe malaria than people with the other groups. Well, if you are one of those mosquitoes' love interest, scientists still cannot tell you exactly why. Perhaps you may be giving off too much of carbon dioxide, heat, or lactic acid, or you are from the family group of blood O. Or you may have the wrong type of bacteria in your microbiome. But don't get disheartened just yet. Here are a few things which you can follow to make sure that you can reduce some of those mosquito bites in future. First and foremost is avoid alcohol. Drunk people are always attractive for the wrong reasons. Here, it's mosquitoes. Wear light colored clothes. It has been seen that mosquitoes do like darker shaded colors. Light green and blues may be the best. And for a long time, yellow and oranges were considered as natural repellents. Check in your garden. Apart from the usual suspect of improper water drainage, plant basil, lavender, lemon, thyme, and marigolds. Their strong smell acts as a natural repellent. Use the same natural repellents on your skin. Smells such as citronella, lemongrass, and mint can be effective. Well, if nothing works, sit near someone who is more a bug magnet than you. So thanks for sticking around. Links have been provided to the mosquitoes researchers. Do check them out and like this video if you have learned something new today. Share this with all your bug magnets. Subscribe more for such interesting stuff. Video posted every week. Check out for such videos. Until next time, take care.